Hey everybody, Mike Donato here from Fireman Canada, and today we're going to be doing a cleaning cycle on the Jura ENA 8 Touch. What you're going to need for this process is Jura cleaning tablets. They come in a 6-pack and a 25-pack. Other than that, as a pro tip, I always recommend having a receptacle or some sort of a container underneath the central spouts to catch any water coming out of the machine. To start the process, you're going to select the gear in the bottom left corner and hit clean the machine. Now immediately the machine will ask you to empty the tray. Even if your tray is empty, you're going to have to pull it out, wait about 30 seconds, put it back in. At this point, you're ready to start the process. Your machine will then start running the cleaning cycle and eventually ask you to insert tablet. You're then going to open your pre-ground bypass, put one single cleaning tablet inside, close it, and click start. At this point, the machine will run through the process. It's going to remove any stale coffee, fats, oils, anything left over in that brewing unit. It's going to clean it right out. Once that's done, you're going to empty the tray one more time and you're good to go. Thank you guys so much for watching. Check out our Instagram @Fireman_Canada for some cool and fun content, and fireman.ca for all your maintenance product needs.